What's up, everyone? As you all know, Articuno and Lugia were the first two legendaries to be released because Team Mystic caught the most amount of Pokemon during Go Fest in the bonus windows. So, therefore, we got Articuno first. Battle Articuno, Moltres, and Zapdos in raid battles around the world. Articuno ends tomorrow, the 31st, and Moltres starts tomorrow on the 31st, goes to August 7th, so it's a week. Then Zapdos ends, or Moltres ends on the 7th of August. And Zapdos begins on the 7th of August and ends August 14th. So, Articuno ends tomorrow. So, hope you got your Articuno. Or, I hope you are able to catch some Lugias, Moltres, and Zapdos so you can trade whenever trading becomes a thing in Pokemon Go. Hopefully one day. Because I have a lot of Tauros saved up. So, yes, legendary Pokemon are here, as you know by now. As you should know. But on the way are Moltres and Zapdos. And I know I'm Team Mystic, but I love Zapdos. I love electric type Pokemon. So I can't wait for that one. So I already have Articunos, so I'm repping my team with that. So keep an eye out for those tomorrow. There's no specific time frame or when they'll start, but they're going to start tomorrow. Also, with Lugia, there was no news about that. I mean, there was speculation news, basically. There's not a specific date. So, Lugia may stay until all the birds are gone. Articuno, Moltres, and Zapdos. Maybe Ho-Oh too. Or they may go on forever. There's no definite news about that yet. So, at least for now, we're going to have Ho-Oh. Not Ho-Oh. At least for now, we're going to have Lugia for a good while. Until we get some more news on that. So, which I'm okay with that. I love Lugia. So, that's good. And that gives other people a chance to catch Lugia. Yep. Actually, I've got a good IV Lugia I'm going to power up in a different video. So, watch out for that. And it's pretty much it about Lugia. So have fun with that. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.